Alright, Kristen Steps here, going to Magic Kingdom alone this morning. Super sunny today. Could barely see getting in the parking lot. Gotta figure out whether I'm doing the ferry boat or the monorail.
Back for the front. No leading end.
Good morning.
Good morning! And welcome everyone to the most magical place on earth, the Magic Kingdom! Today's a very special day. You see, Mickey has asked the Arnold family from New Mexico to take a ride with them on the Walt Disney World Steam Train, and then to help us open the park by spreading a little Disney magic. Is everybody ready? Great. Well, let's say hello to the Arnold family and ask them to help us spread some Disney magic so we can open the park. What do you say, Mickey?
Gosh, that's swell! Hi there! Thanks for helping us today.
All right, everyone, let's all do a countdown backwards from 10 to open the park. Mickey?
Okay, gang, count nice and loud. Here we go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Magic Kingdom, everybody!
Thank you all so much for joining us here this
So I've been very lucky today. Got to see the welcome show with the fireman, fire chief. He's the one I wanted to see the most. Never done it before, so it was really awesome. Waiting around for Mainstreet vehicle. I talked to a cast member. He said he drives a blue Mainstreet vehicle, so I'm going to wait for him to pull up. I'm going to ride it and accomplish my morning dreams.
Vehicles out here, so they're not necessarily accommodate for the space as well as they do now. Guys, this is a 1903 Franklin. This is a 113-year-old antique car.
Wow.
Because of that, we have a huge safety rules we want to ask of y'all. Make sure if you got a bag, have it in your lap or on the ground, as they do shockingly slide out of the sides. Secondly, head, hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. You may, on occasion, get somebody that want to reach out and give you a high five on the way down. We are very popular, so that may happen. Try to avoid that. We don't want to actually drag them into the car. And lastly, and most importantly, as I said, it is an old car, 113 years, so she's very temperamental. She does tend to buck from time to time. So, that being said, stay seated the entire time until I park her and then completely turn her off before I give you the okay clear to stand. In the meantime, we're heading all the way to the castle. Are we okay with that?
Yeah. Yep.
Awesome.
I've been here over 100 times. It was the first time I
Guys,
knew that's what we did. We finally made it to the opening ceremony, and it was like, you know what, we're going to ride the car this morning. We're going to ride the car. We wait. Something new,
That's awesome. I thought I was the only one that wanted to do that.
My favorite pastime, driving down the road.
Something different I haven't done.
Anyone who rides in these cars are super popular suddenly, so feel free to just wave and be in everyone's vacation photos. And two, you're going to enjoy my favorite pastime, watching people scatter as you make your way down the road. So guys, we bring these vehicles out typically from opening up to about 10 o'clock in the morning, which is only anywhere between, say, an hour or 2 hours, because at that point, we're starting to compete with all the parades, and I honestly don't think that I'm going to win in a road with one of those parade floats. All clear. Because, you see my friends over there, those are your Dapper Dans. If you ride the horse and trolley all the way back, not only do you get to smell that wonderful horse, but you get a nice serenade all the way down with our barbershop quartet.
Okay, now that I've accomplished my Main Street dreams, got to go on the Main Street vehicle finally. Got to see the Dapper Dans a little bit. Maybe I'll catch them again on the way out. I'm gonna do some rides I haven't done yet here. Well, I've done them, but not this trip anyway. Little Pirates and Haunted Mansion, maybe some Splash, and then I gotta get out of here because I gotta make it back to pick up my family. Get to be our guest.
I offered for this winsome wench, stout-hearted and corn. Honor by the pound. Shift your cargo, dearie. Show 'em your larboard side. What's the ready? Belay there, you forecastle swab. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map. Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the local captain tax out of space, with ears down till only me was got. So ho, yo ho, yo ho, Lawrence Lodge for me. It is true.
Walking into Splash Mountain. Flying solo on the Splash Mountain. I always wanted to ride this multiple times in a trip. My family never lets me. Here we go. So, Haunted Mansion's currently down. Such a bummer. Hopefully I'll get to ride it later, but since I'm in a hurry, I'm going to try to hit up Winnie the Pooh because my kids hate that and get the heck out of here. Apparently this is where everybody goes in the morning. Maybe I'll get out of here. Time to go home. So I get to ride the omnibus back. Happy day. I'm all the way at the top. Check this out. the blue car I rode before. Such a nice driver.
Plus, I got one with you and Mommy.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for choosing Mainstreet Transportation. We're headed up to the front of the park. For your safety, please remain seated while the bus is in motion. Keep your hands, arms, hands, legs, and feet in at all times. Big kids, watch out for little kids, watch out for the virus. Sit back, relax.
Everyone to see.